Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is hosted by Wanda over at Miss Amechi. I will have her link in my description box down below, as well as the playlist. So we are bringing you guys some adult beverage drinks. So I went over to my local ABC store and picked up these bottles. I got some pina colada, Bacardi lemon, as well as peach margarita, watermelon margarita. Those are ready to drink. I got summer watermelon siroc, red white berry Smirnoff, peach lemonade Smirnoff, red berry siroc, crown apple, siroc summer watermelon, vodka siroc, strawberry 99, mango 99, Jose Cuervo mango, a strawberry cream, Hennessy, pink lemonade by Smirnoff, absolute vodka, blueberry or blue raspberry 99, banana 99, watermelon 99, and this Parrot Bay passion fruit drink. So the first thing that I wanted to do was also run by the grocery store and just get a couple of items. So I got strawberries, blueberries, lemons. I end up getting a Granny Smith apple, a Fiji apple, some pineapple slices, watermelon, and I also got some drinks to go along with this. So I got watermelon, pina colada, and of course, lemonade. Those are the drinks that I'm going to be making. So I decided to go ahead and cut up the fruit ahead of time. So like I said, I got some lemons, watermelon, strawberries, blueberries, apples, and it was just a necessity to go ahead and cut these up, get them cleaned off. Thanks to a good friend who sent me this apple cutter all the way from Japan. I'm telling you, it cuts apples really good, and all I have to do is just break it out, and then I can slice it up really small. So I have everything prepared here that I need. I have all of my fruit that I'm getting prepared. I have the drinks, and I have the little small bottles of alcohol out on the table. Now, what I need in the meantime is for my package to come through of my 50 pack of the adult pouches that I ordered. These little pouches are amazing. All I'm going to say is you guys can check out the link in the description box down below as well for these, because they are so adorable that you guys can use these on yourselves as adults, or you can use them on the kids. So it did come in a 50 pack of clear pouches, and it also came with straws, and you guys can use this for anything. So let me just show you how these actually work. First off, I'm going to be making a Smirnoff pink lemonade. So I decided to use the whole bottle of the Smirnoff pink lemonade along with some watermelon, pineapples, and lemons. And of course, I'm using some lemonade drink. So the first thing I did was went ahead and prepped open the bags, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the fruit in, the juice, and then I will add in the liquor. And then I decided not to put any ice into my drinks just because I didn't need to. The simple fact that the ice would have just melted into it if I wasn't ready for it, I didn't want to do that. So the fruit is already cold, the drink is already cold, the liquor is the only thing that is not cold. But when it blends up with the two things that are cold, I feel like it'll be great, and I could just drink it right away. If I wanted to make it last cold forever, then yes, I would add in the ice. But y'all, this drink right here was hitting. All right, y'all, I decided to make a Ciroc watermelon drink. So I'm using pina colada juice along with the Ciroc summer watermelon, some lemons, watermelon, and strawberries. So like I said, I didn't want it to get watered down. So I went ahead and just poured some of the pina colada juice in there, as well as the Ciroc, as well as the lemons, the watermelon, and the strawberries into the pouch. What I do before I put the straw in last is go ahead and seal it up and give it a good shake, and then I'll put the straw in. And with these straws, you guys can make designs, and you guys can put slushies and other things in here like that. So let's get ready to make a alcoholic slushy drink. All right, and so for my last one, I'm going to be making a mango margarita where I will need my handy dandy blender. Don't judge, y'all. That is just from the fall when I was grinding up some, I can't even remember what it's called, y'all. Let's just jump right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some ice, and I'm also gonna get out some fruit that's gonna go on top of this that you can eat after you are done with your margarita, or you can do it while you're doing it. So I got some ice. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the blender cup right here. I gotta break some up. So I got the ice in here, but I'm gonna put a little twist onto it. So these are Daly's popsicles for people 21 and up only. Now this is strawberry flavored. You guys can find these at Sam's Club. These were about $13 for roughly about 12 of them. So I'm gonna put this into here along with my mango margarita mix. So it'll be a strawberry mango margarita. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of this in here. All right, so got it mixed up. Here we go. Margarita's done, came out pink. I went ahead and got my handy dandy wine glass because this is where it's going. Yes, I did went ahead and go ahead and pull my pouch out, as the extras that don't fit into my wine glass are going into the pouch to be frozen, and I can always thaw it out another day. So not only do these pouches or can they be used for drinks, they also can be used to make detox drinks where you put water, lemons, cucumbers, limes, and other detox waters like that. But you also can use them to make slushies for the kiddos in these, and also include the men on the fun.